Alright guys, I'm in the process of getting all these seats out of here. Camera's a little shaky. I was gonna see if somebody wanted to, I was gonna try to give them away, but I think that dream is dead. Thing is totally crunched. I think I'm just gonna be taking these to the dump. Hey, getting all these seats out of here.
You're videoing it?
Yeah. This one's connected a little better than those other ones were.
Yeah.
Exactly how.
Daddy, when are you going to take the floor out? What do you expect it to get?
Get all this furniture out of the way.
Oh, Daddy, look, I figured out your problem, I think. Look at these. You had to break the wood.
Yeah. Ooh, I like it easier. Got a hose in here. It's good.
Oh, this is gross.
Huh. That is interesting.
Hey, Daddy, are we ever going to put these seats back in?
No.
We're going to get new seats or what?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's going to be expensive, probably. Is this why you got the tripod, Daddy?
Yeah.
Whoa! You cut that.
Decided I'm not going to use it again.
Now how are you going to get these out, Daddy?
What? Cross that bridge when I get there. Oh shucks, that broke.
What did?
The chair.
Oh, did you even need that chair, really?
Not really, but I didn't break it. And I broke it.
What was this metal piece for, Daddy?
Oh, that goes in here. I might actually use that.
For a chair?
No, for a little table.
Oh. Should I throw this piece off, Daddy?
Sure.
What? Okay.
Put it on my channel.
electric road trip channel or your that?
It's gonna be electric boat trip now.
Daddy, boat and road. Let's see. Oh. Are we gonna throw this one out, Daddy?
Alright guys, project update. I've gotten all the fencing off. There it is over there. Still need to get this gas tank off and that oil tank. Still gotta get the motor off. And right now what I'm working on is getting the this thing disconnected. I've gotten the steering wheel steering cable disconnected, as you can see here. And I just went around and loosened all those things because the throttle cable is hard to reach. Oh, let's see if I can get this thing to pop off. Yeah, it still seems, sorry about all that, it still seems to be connected somewhere. The throttle cable's still connected. Definitely part of the issue. Here we go. Whew, I popped that throttle cable off. That thing will be ready to come off, and I'll get all this crap out of the way. And then we'll be ready to start taking that, not too much, a couple other things. We'll be ready to start taking all the decking off. Slowly but surely. All right, guys, we got the boat in the garage, and I've just now taken this siding piece off right there. And now we'll work on getting this front one out of the way, getting that trolling motor off, and work our way around so we can get the deck off. All right, I've got all the edges off. I am now working on taking the carpet off. It's a bit of a slow go because if there's any bolts or nails or anything that I left, you gotta bust those out or bust the carpet off of that. Plus occasionally the glue is still holding on pretty good, so I'm just trying to slowly like get it leveraged out of there. Got the gas tank off already and the oil tank and most everything else, so just gotta get this carpet off and I'll start taking the deck off. So this crowbar worked awesome on the other side. Let's see if it'll work as well on this side. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to try to get those. These two are through the aluminum. That's why they're not coming off.
Will they?
We need to see if we can get them off the normal way. Maybe with that pressure on them. Yeah, we can turn this off for now.
Yeah.
Right, these two on this side were through the aluminum, so that's why they weren't coming off. But I just took the aluminum off, so it should, I mean, I took the nut off, so it should come off easy now. There we go. Oh, I don't know why I don't think to check that sooner, but whatever, it worked out.
Because the other one didn't do that.
The other one wasn't through the aluminum, and it came out super easy. So I just assumed this one might be the same. It was not. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. Have some progress. You can't take video and do it at the same time, bud.
Uh-oh.
a little run. That was a decent little run. Compared to what we were doing, getting inches at a time. Well, it is a little after 7 o'clock. And all the carpet is finally off. That was definitely more of a chore than I had anticipated. But it's done. And next we'll be trying to figure out the decking. Documenting the overlap of the rear piece so I'll know where to put on the new one. Just gotten this back little section off. Still trying to figure out the best way to get the rest of these off. I think I'm gonna rip it down the middle and then just basically use the crowbar and pop them off. All right, little update here. The rip method is actually working pretty well, and then I just go back and as long as they still have the heads on them, pulling the screws like these, and get a good grip on the head of those, and with the vice grips, and they just come straight off. So it's gotten pretty easy. I did mess with this one for a long time. Does not have the head on it anymore and could not get it off, so probably just cut. I've got a couple like that. I'll just cut them off. But anyway, it's slow but sure. Got a little helper. Working on these screws.
Daddy, how good is the mini sledgehammer banging nails?
What kind of nails?
Like normal nails?
Not that good. Did you get it? Oh, it came off.
Yeah, this.
It's almost done. Here, can I just grab it? No, I can't just grab it. You're gonna have to clip it on there again. You might have to tighten it. No, you gotta go higher. You have to tighten it in down a little bit. All right, then hit it on that top part. There you go.
Daddy, you don't have
Tighten it all the way till it clips. There you go.
Daddy, you don't have any normal hammers. Dad, did you hear me?
Yeah, a long time ago, you or Connor used it outside and it never came back. Over on Emmy's property, I think. Yeah, that thing should be close. Oh, shucks.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, we finally got the last front of the wood off. I couldn't rip that one down the middle, so we just had to manhandle it. It was kind of a beast. I bent the frame just a little bit right there, but we got it off. Just got to get the screws out, and that part of the job is done.